Today, we're taking a deep dive into TradeSanta, one of the most well-known automated crypto trading bots available. TradeSanta is designed to help both beginners and experienced traders automate their trading strategies across multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. Right from the start, the platform boasts a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to set up trading bots without needing extensive technical knowledge. The dashboard provides an overview of active bots, trading pairs, recent performance, and key market indicators. TradeSanta supports multiple trading strategies, including grid and DCA, dollar cost averaging, bots, giving users flexibility in how they approach crypto trading automation. The bot integrates with major exchanges such as Binance, Bybit, and OKX, allowing users to execute trades seamlessly without manual intervention. Setting up a bot is straightforward. Users can select their preferred trading pair, choose a strategy, define order sizes, and set risk parameters. TradeSanta also provides pre-configured templates for those who want to get started quickly without manually tweaking every setting. For more advanced users, there are options to customize stop loss, take profit, and trailing settings to optimize trades. One of the standout features of TradeSanta is its marketplace for trading signals. Users can subscribe to external signals to automate their strategy based on third-party analysis. However, it's important to verify the reliability of these signals before using them. The platform also offers backtesting options, allowing users to test strategies before deploying real capital. Security is a major concern with automated trading, and TradeSanta addresses this by using API keys with exchange permissions. It does not have direct access to withdraw funds, ensuring an extra layer of safety for users. Additionally, TradeSanta has two-factor authentication, 2FA, for account security, which is highly recommended to enable. Pricing-wise, TradeSanta offers different subscription tiers based on the number of bots and features required. There is a free plan available with limited functionality, while premium plans provide access to more bots, advanced tools, and higher trading limits. Whether the pricing is worth it depends on how actively you plan to use automated trading. Many useful links can be found in the description, so be sure to check them out after watching this video. While TradeSanta has many advantages, there are some drawbacks to consider. Like any trading bot, it does not guarantee profits and requires careful configuration. Market conditions change frequently, and poorly configured bots can lead to losses. Users should also be aware of exchange API limitations and potential downtime that may affect trading performance. Overall, TradeSanta is a solid choice for those looking to automate their cryptocurrency trading with an easy-to-use platform. It offers a balance between beginner-friendly tools and advanced customization for experienced traders. If you're interested in trying it out, be sure to do your own research and understand the risks involved in automated trading. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on crypto tools and trading strategies. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.